Hello everybody. Today I continue testing XMR mining on Android phones. Today it is Nokia 3.1 with MediaTek MT6750V CPU and 1794 MB of RAM. Let's start. A download user land app some time ago for testing, how and where you can view in my another videos. I also installed Ubuntu. First, when Ubuntu installed, update repositories by command apt update. Next, upgrade packages with command sudo apt upgrade. Next, installing required software, command is sudo apt install git prud build essential make libov 1 dev lib microt dev libzazel dev. After all installed, download some rig sources with command git clone https://github.com/xmrig/xmrig.git. Next, go into clone directory, command is cd xmrig. Make build directory, command gator build. Next, enter in build directory, command is cd build. Next, configure with command make with underscore how lock equals off. And then make, command make. It's long process, need to wait some time. When compiled, I check IP address of Ubuntu virtual machine command is ifconfig. My IP address is 192.168.111.200. Next, go to the PC which is connected to same network. Go to the Xmrig.com website. Press on wizard. Then press on add pool button. I choose nanopool.org pool. Enter wallet address, and press on add pool button. Go to the configuration wizard and download config file. Next, need SCP software. I use Wins. In Wins, press on new session. Choose SCP protocol. In host name, add IP address of your Ubuntu virtual machine. Change port to 2022. Enter username and password what you created when make virtual machine. Then press login. In right side, open some rig folder, and then build folder. Copy config.json file on right side and disconnect. Next, on phone, go to the xmrig build folder and run xmrig miner by command /xmrig. On phone with low RAM random X don't start and miner switches to slow mode. On this phone, average mining speed is 19 hash per second. Mining Monero on this phone in time wasting. Thank you for your attention. Press like, subscribe and write comments.